UST.
And so kung ibig sabihin ko mas lower ang errors ng UST, they could have ended the game earlier.
This set brought to you by Shaky Super Delivery. Order your favorite thin crust pizza and chicken and mojos now. Service ace agad. Panimula pa lang ng set 1. Sorry, set 3.
First point, set 3.
Tama, first point set 3. Paano malinaw?
Avril Braun with 8 points, followed by Poyos with 6 and Nop with 5. 4 points each for Gutierrez, Altea, and Balingit. Rubin with
Napayungan.
3.
May stare down pang baon si Ashley Nop.
Kaya natutuwa ko sa mga reaction niya pag nag-ano siya, naka-point. Kasi kahit parang alam mo yun, she's trying to do a swag, pero parang hindi siya offensive kasi soft yung features ng mukha niya.
Oo nga. Tizon, bumawi. Pero buhay pambola. Erica Gutierrez, that clips the line.
Alam mo yung parang nagpupuksaan na lang silang dalawa. Kasi palagi nga sila nagkikita. So ito
Oo
nga ngayon.
Pang may rivalry na rin
Oo.
na na-develop.
And it's fun that they're comfortable with playing with each other. Against each other, rather.
That's in. Service ace from Kim Rubin.
Kim Rubin already with 3 points from the last set. Make that 4 now.
Sabi ni Kim Rubin, upo muna si Batman. Nandito naman ako. 3-1 for the Golden Tigresses.
Hailing from Bacolod City.
Si Kim Rubin, no?
Oo. Oh, oo.
Proud na proud.
Talaga.
Sa kabila, Judel Nitura. Rejected.
Tura rejected at the net by M. Banagua.
Na I really felt like was sorely missed last season for UST in the UAP.
But I think she was also struggling with an injury during
Yun na nga
that time.
Enjoy na kasi. Ay, Ashley Nop.
Let's see what
Had a bad
happened.
fall. Yeah. Something you don't want to see. Nakita natin, day number 1, si Pia Badyon also got injured at the net.
Balingit in for Nop.
And it's so unfortunate considering the tournament that he's having. He arguably could be their best performer so far
Oo.
here in the National Invitationals based on sheer production and impact. I mean, given naman si Poyos gagawa, alam mo yung mga ibang veterano nandyan
Present
din.
nga si Poyos
Oo.
palagi.
Block from MM Managua.
Ng Banagua taking things to her control here. Grabe yung reach, no?
Yeah.
Pag nakikita mo yung replay.
5-1 UST. Trying to take the fight out of Letran. Kim Rubin, nasa service area pa din.
Wonder what happened to Ashley Nop. We hope that she's okay.
Quick attack from M. Banagua.
And Tizon also sat out. But M. Banagua just showing up here for UST with a quick attack.
We have a timeout by Letran.
May utilize talaga ngayon ng UST yung matatangkad nilang middles because Letran isn't that tall of a team. So you have that advantage in the middle.
And UST, should they win this one, they will remain unbeaten. And that has implications because later on we'll have Southern Storm Melbourne, also 2-0 at the moment. Kalaban naman nila ang Ho Chi Minh City Junior Volleyball Club. Team Rubin, ginawa na niyang bahay itong service area.
Kanina pa siya ay, nabati na naman talaga.
Gusto niyang umalis. Ayan, service error tuloy.
Napagod din kasi siya. Sabi niya, papahinga yung superhero, ako pa kaya?
2-6. Can Letran catch up? Reverse set, Julia Balingit cross court. No problem whatsoever for Julia Balingit.
Yun na nga, good thing that UST has a really deep bench here na kahit sino lang ang ipasok nila for their side.
Banagwa. Panangin will attack and convert.
Good attack by Panangin. Being aggressive this time around kasi kanina medyo tinatapik niya lang yung bola. And it's really important that if you're against UST, kailangan mo talagang lakasan kung gusto mong manglakasan.
Chick Flores. Wahe times it well. Balingit. Thought there was a check. Pero wala daw.
Parang nagulat pa siya sa
Oo.
desisyon ng referee.
Ano ba yung ano? Really sa ano? Kore?
Mm.
Really? No touch? Gutierrez tinapik. Papaluin ni Judel Nitura. Diving in where Escobar and Balingit. Panangin! Yes!
Gets that check ball.
Ayun. So we just got word that Ashley Knopp sustained an ankle sprain. Maraming salamat sa ating courtside reporter na si Aliana Marzona.
Salamat po sa inyong real-time update.
Oo. 8-5 after this connection between Wahe and Plaza. We'll be back after this first technical timeout. Back with us at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium as we continue the Shigi Super League National Invitationals. Ken Pangilinan still with Jelina Lucenio. Sa gitna, Huino! Denied by Bianca Plaza.
Bianca Plaza just reading that transition from Letran. And kanina pa, sinusubukan talaga ni Huino na
Na ano?
na pumuntos.
Oo.
Pero nababasa talaga siya.
Why? Elects to go to Balingit. Nitura launches and she will put in that point.
Nitura finally getting a point here. And it's not really one of those days that she does a lot of action for Letran. But she's trying to adjust and she's trying to do something about it.
Reverse set, Jodel Nitura. Flores goes to Merwa on the left pin. It's out.
Outside and a bit long for Letran here. And now that UST is in a 4-point lead.
Teka, Gutierrez siya ang magsaserve ngayon. Uy! Service error laban kay Gutierrez.
Gutierrez just trying to find her rhythm. And a chance for Letran.
Wahe. Plaza. Uy, nagkabanggaan si Huino at si Panangin.
Hope they're okay. Seeing some limping from Kai Huino.
7-11. Letran down
Again.
by 4. Yeah.
7-11 again.
Managua. Uy, nakahanap ng puwang sa likod.
Great reaction coming from Banagua. Doing that thinking pose after that good drop at the back. Tama nga naman ginawa niya kasi nakasiksik na lahat dito sa harap. Bakit di mo dalhin sa likod?
Nakita niyo, nakalusob lahat eh. Buhay pa. Wahe bumps it up to Kim Rubin. Napayungan pero buhay pa din. Letran the reload. Judel Nitura puts it away.
One-man block is not gonna do for UST. Plaza wasn't able, or Banagua rather, wasn't able to catch up with that block.
Nitura's serve goes out.
It's hard for Letran here to inch closer to the score if they keep on committing the errors in the service area.
Arlene Wahe, her team up 13-8. Kakatuwang story talaga eh. Pag binabalik-balikan ko yung kwento nito ni Arlene Wahe who gets a service ace.
Ano yung kwento niya?
I think that was 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Just walked in on a tryout. That was July 1. Wasn't even part of the initial lineup na sinadmit ng UST para sa National Invitationals. But dahil sobrang na-impress si Coach Yani sa kanya, hinabol siya dun sa lineup. As in, nag-walk-in lang siya. And then the rest is history, as they say. Naging backup setter na siya ni Cassie Carvalho. Ngayon, pinapakita niya yung kanyang galing. Given an opportunity to be the top setter for their squad in today's game. And minsan, you just need those kinds of opportunities for you to
Kita mo
shine.
kanina nga din si
Sino?
Botor. Sabi niya, di ba, hindi na dapat siya maglalaro. But then, it took her 3 days before she could reply to Coach Dong.
Kaya nga.
So imagine mo kung hindi nangyari yun na kinuha siya, di ba?
Sabi nga nila, carpe diem.
Wow.
Seize the day.
Wow. Grabing quotable quotes na yan.
Managua tinapik. Zamudio bumps it up to Panangin. Cross court. Wahe. As Balingit as her option. Colendra sa kabila. Ang papalo ngayon si Rubin. Corner pocket is in for Kim Rubin.
Kim Rubin with that side hit. And yan talaga yung mga gusto niyang palo no? Yung mga gitgitan sa gilid. It's really gonna be an interesting lineup in the future where Diza Berayo and Kim Rubin would be in the court because they're MVPs in their respective tournaments.
Balingit. Buhay pa ang bola. Panangin. Rally continues. Sa gitna.
Napako na si Kim Rubin sa gitna. Hindi na nahabol.
Good job by Maluto. That Smart Power Up play brought to you by the new Smart Power All 109 Low Now. Nina Maluto making an appearance for Letran. Balingit. Now it's Panangin. Diving in. Escobar. Good pass by Escobar. Quick play. Wahe connects with Banagua.
Good call to go to the middle when everything was going well with the open and opposite. Siyempre, tatawagin mo na yung middle dito para maiba naman.
Banagua and the UST Golden Tigresses look poised to notch their third win against Letran. Uy! Julia Balingit forming that wall, rejecting that shot.
Single block, no problem for Julia Balingit. You could see that she really read that attack by Panangin.
Colendra, lalabas yung palo.
Seals outside. Colendra reminds me of Princess Robles. Now I see it.
Oo nga.
No?
Oo nga.
They're almost the same height. Tapos pag gumalaw, medyo pareha sila. Built ng katawan, parang ganun din.
Tama. Galing mo sa ganyan, ah.
Pero yung kamukha talaga ni Princess Robles, si Ara Panique. Tingnan mo.
Talaga.
Oo.
19, 11.
Yes.
Yeah. Error committed by Letran.
But
Wait lang.
error committed by
Ay,
UST.
hindi. UST pala. Okay. Nalito din si Banago eh. Akala niya siya yung magsaserve. Pwede ba yun?
Some clarifications.
I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if we'll get the benefit of the replay. Kasi eto nga, no, nag-uusap na si ating mga referees. Binigay na nga sa UST yung point. So it's 19-11. Eight points ang lamang ng Uste. Good service from Banagua. Napayungan ni Erica Gutierrez.
Gutierrez doing a lot of work here, not only in the attacking department, but as well as in the blocking. And pag umikot din, no, ang laki din ng contribution niya when it comes to defense na nakakapalo si Kim Rubin sa harap.
Panangin. Depensa ay nananaig para sa UST. They're now up by 10 after that hit.
Good attack by Gutierrez. And you know, she was trying to find her rhythm in the second set a while ago. But now, she's back to doing a lot of points for UST.
Colendra. Si Gutierrez na naman ang papalo. Free ball. Wahe diving in. Banagua saves it. Oy! Sayang. Hindi na lumusot.
Miscommunication on the side of UST kung sino yung kukuha talaga ng bola.
Palitan ng tao. Colendra. And well, si Nidura at si Flores ang papasok. Si Colendra at si Silvestre naman ang lalabas.
Silvestre also came from the juniors
Sa
division ng UST.
Ay, UST.
Teammate sila ni Kim Rubin nung di
right,
ba?
right,
Championship.
You're right. That's why she's so familiar.
They're twins. One is Siopaw and one is Balut. Legit though, those
Seryoso
are
ba
their
yan?
nicknames. Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah, they came from Aklan.
Aklan si Silvestre.
Yeah.
Si Kim Rubin, kakala ko ba Bacolod?
Yeah,
O,
pero
tama.
teammates sila sa UST
Sa
Juniors.
UST. Okay.
Yung isa naglarong setter, yung isa naglarong middle.
Aha.
And now I guess they're with Letran.
22-12. UST just plodding through. 23-12 na ang score natin. 2 points away. And you are so excited about the future of this UST squad, Jelena.
Yes, we were talking about, off-cam earlier, how really exciting the program of UST is. Kasi syempre, yung lahat ng mga formidable players from the juniors are already going to the college division, 'di ba? Tapos you know that UST has that pride in their junior division from even started with Ea Laure, Bernadette Pipito. So you know that UST is not just planning about the now, they're really planning about the future.
Match point na sila. 24-13. Gutierrez will serve out for the match. Palo ni Merwa. Oh, Plaza will finish things off with that running attack.
Plaza with a stick-met finish and that running attack. Yun nga, we said earlier, ang tagal natin hindi sila nakita ni Mbanagwa. So it's really exciting to see them back inside the court, leading yung mga nakakabata sa kanila. UST just ending this game with a very convincing win.
Straight sets win para sa kanila, 25-22, 25-17, and 25-13. Magbabalik kami for MVP the match and post-game highlights.